In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your vacation photos and videos with a link. So what we need to do is go to Google and search for Google Drive. Click on it, and once you are there, you are into your drive. Now, the next step is to create a folder. So what we want to do is click on plus new and then select new folder, and we will call it Vacation 2025. Create the folder. And once you have created the folder, you will see it over here. Now go into the folder by clicking on it, and now we need to upload our files, the photos and videos. Click on plus new, then file upload, and once we are here, we are going to search for our vacation photos. I have made a folder on my desktop with the photos and videos. So what we will do, open the folder and then select them all and open the videos and photos. Now they will upload into this folder. If you want to share these photos and videos, then we will go back to my drive, go to the folder, and then go to the three dots. What you can do, you have two options. Go to share and just share it with a link, but you can also invite people to have access to this folder. But what we will do now is basically click on copy link, and then you have copied the link of the folder. And now if people are clicking on the link, then they will open this folder with the photos and videos of your vacation. And that is how you share your vacation photos and videos with a link.